See if she'll start.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
On today's adventures, we made a trip to Ford. Bought a whole bunch of fluids. We'll first stop by, picked up some of this oil to flush the engine. Bought a crappy oil filter. So what we ended up doing this morning, we pulled the plugs, filled the cylinders up a little bit with oil, spun it by hand, made sure it's all good. Oil was dripping all night, got everything out, cleaned all the connectors on the ECU body control module, replaced fuses in the front and the rear. Stopped by, like I said, picked up some transmission fluid, PTU, RDU, and that's about it. So after a few days of playing with IDS and trying to figure out why that body control module wasn't communicating with the computer, figured out that it just needed to sit for a little bit. So cleaned up body control module, ECU, and let's see if she'll start. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. See how much smoke is going to be coming out. Oh, that's a flooded car for you. Alright, we're just going to let it sit. What does that look like? That's good that that's not coolant. It looks like it scared me there for a second. It is dirt, so we're gonna keep letting her warm out. The whole shop is smoked out, but she sounds amazing. I just listen to that crackle.